Hello and welcome to Module 3.0, an intro to communication for getting more customers. And in this module, we are going to be talking all about how to take your communication skills to the next level so you can sell more persuasively, command more attention, and make a bigger impact on your customers, no matter what communication methods or tools you use to create awareness about your business. So let's jump into what we're going to cover in this module. So in this module, you'll discover the art and science of communication, the 4 communication groups, how we communicate in the 21st century, why people fail with their business communication, and 10 reasons you should master the art of communication. Skill in the art of communication is crucial to a leader's success. He can accomplish nothing unless he can communicate effectively. And that's by Anthony Robbins. Communication is definitely a science and an art. Effective communication is both an art and a science, as it creates the foundation for trust, influence, and understanding, which are all essential for winning over new customers and creating a memorable brand. With so many communication channels available to us in modern life, it can be overwhelming just trying to figure out what are the most appropriate channels for your brand message and how to reach your ideal customers. It's the most basic and fundamental principles of communication that you need to master in order to be able to effectively communicate the value of your brand and fascinate your audience with your words and images. Communication is indeed an art as much as it is a science, because what works is always changing as fast as new communication channels emerge and evolve. Although change presents new challenges, they also create new opportunities to reach your ideal customers, and that's why you're here right now. You can have brilliant ideas, but if you can't get them across, your ideas won't get you anywhere. That's from Lee Iacocca. Now, there are 4 different types of communication, and those include verbal communication, written communication, visual communication, and non-verbal communication. And they're all very important when it comes to marketing your business. So how do we communicate in the 21st century? That's a lot of stuff. Okay, there's so many methods of communication available to us right now, and we are bombarded with messaging. Let's look at why people tend to go wrong. Now, the reason why a lot of people fail with their business communication is because they don't know how to communicate appropriately for their environment, especially on social media. They don't use the right language in their sales messaging, and that's like they're using words that don't resonate with their intended audience. They're using the wrong communication channels for their intended message. So for example, if they should be using direct mail, they're not using direct mail, they're using email, for example. You have to get the right communication channel for the right audience and for the right message. That's really important. Now let's look at 10 reasons why you should master the art of communication. Number 1, get your brand message across in the most effective way. Learn to converse with your customers using words and images that excite, fascinate, and resonate with them. Create a solid foundation for your social media and advertising efforts. Create influence and build audiences to boost your brand's charisma. Make your advertising more effective. Communication is a 2-way street. Listen to your customers. Deliver a better customer experience. Manage your reputation. Maintain relationships with your customers. Motivate your customers, peers, and colleagues. So we've got a lot to cover in the communication section of Catebox Academy. And just to let you know what's behind the curtain, what's coming up, you're going to learn about communication alchemy, powerful communication secrets, the power of storytelling, visual communication, the power of images, an introduction to copywriting, how to turn social media followers and fans into buyers, and the secret to effective email writing. All of the stuff that you're learning inside of Catebox Academy, just to remind you, it's a marathon, not a sprint. These techniques all take time to implement, and it takes some time to see results. But these are evergreen strategies that can be applied on any communication channel, even if new platforms emerge. And with consistency over time, you'll be attracting an influx of raving customers that love your brand. So I really look forward to sharing with you what's to come inside the forthcoming modules. So with that being said, congratulations, you've officially completed this module, and I look forward to sharing more with you inside the next modules. Bye for now.